Today I'm going to post a video of showing you how I have my room set up. Well, right there is my Xbox with the wires to my Turtle Beaches, my wire to charge my controller, and yes, that's my model controller charged to my phone. And yes, the TV I use, the games I mainly play are Modern Warfare 3, Modern Warfare 2, Black Ops 2, yeah, NBA and all those. I got more games in here. I have like Black Ops, Halo 4, Assassin's Creed 3, and all. So yeah, all those games. Yep, that's my game setup. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel free to. Thank you for watching.